was growing up from the snow. Today my feeling is far from the low. I'm having a great time in the prime of a lifetime. Ooh, yeah. I can see colors everywhere I turn around. This time I'm going